To troubleshoot login issues with your Banco Sabadell loan, follow these steps. First, ensure you have a stable internet connection and your browser is up to date. Clear your browser cache and cookies, as outdated or corrupted files can cause login problems. Next, verify your username and password are correct, and check for any typos or capitalization errors. If you have forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password option to reset it. Make sure your account is active and not locked due to multiple incorrect login attempts. Check if there are any maintenance or downtime notifications on the Banco Sabadell website or mobile app. Sometimes, technical issues can cause login problems, and the bank may be working to resolve them. If you are still having trouble, try accessing your account from a different device or browser to rule out any device-specific issues. Ensure your operating system and browser are compatible with the Banco Sabadell online platform. Contact Banco Sabadell customer support if none of the above steps resolve the issue. They can provide assistance and help you regain access to your account. Keep your account information and login credentials secure, and never share them with anyone. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve any login issues with your Banco Sabadell loan. Remember to always prioritize your account security and monitor your account activity regularly.